Hello, I'm Styx. We will learn about conjunctions. A conjunction is a part of speech that connects words, phrases, or clauses that are called the conjuncts of the conjunctions. In English, a given word may have several senses, being either a preposition or a conjunction depending on the syntax of the sentence. In general, a conjunction is an invariable grammatical particle and it may or may not stand between the items conjoined. It may also have idiomatic phrases that behave as a unit with the same function, like as well as, provided that, rather than etc. Now, we will discuss three types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions, and conjunctions of time. Let's start with coordinating conjunctions. Also called coordinators, these conjunctions that join two or more items of equal syntactic importance. For example, mnemonic acronym fanboys, has a 7-letter would divide into 7 conjunctions. For, and, nor, but, or, yet. And so. For example, let's take any one conjunction like nor. We cannot understand it nor the reason of it. Another example, using but. I want to go to the party, but I am so tired. These are called coordinating conjunctions. Next, we will talk about correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions work in pairs to join words and groups of words of equal weight in a sentence, like either, or. Not only, but. No sooner, than etc. For example, either Sonic and Knuckles play outdoor games, or indoor games. Correlative conjunction uses either and or. Another example, no sooner did Amy Rose learns to participate than the show began to start. Correlative conjunction is no sooner and than. These are called correlative conjunctions. And finally, we will talk about conjunctions of time, also called subordinating conjunctions. These conjunctions that join an independent clause and a dependent clause, and also introduce adverb clauses, like after, as soon as long as though, etc. For example, as long as school children learn how to sing a song. Subordinating conjunction is, as long as. Another example, Ben Tennyson is waiting in the time travel until Sonic the Hedgehog calls him on the phone. Subordinating conjunction is, until. So these are called the various types of conjunctions. For more details about various conjunctions, log on to n.wikipedia.org/wiki/conjunction_grammar. Like, comment, and subscribe now.